Viewer discretion is advised on this video as there is some swearing, and also the song that Imogen sings is copyrighted, so I will still have it, but don't sue me.
Okay, yeah.
Need to try and get to the end of the level. Oh, you died.
Yeah, I told you I'm rubbish at these sort of games. Okay.
It's basically Mario, but it's a lot more fun.
Why?
Because you can die.
I can't get up.
Use all the arrow keys, you can go left as well. Don't think it's only one way. Oh god. Oh. Oh, I tricked you. I like that. -1 life. You have to do this, you have to complete the whole levels. There's like 5 different levels in this. Oh. Oh, you got hit by it.
Okay, I'm dead, okay? We just like...
Come on. You need to complete all the levels. Well, maybe not all of them, maybe complete some of them. Maybe like 3. I can have a try at the other 3, which is going to be really hard. She's got... This is the first one. This is the easiest one.
I'm rubbish at computer games like this. I told you that.
No, you didn't. And you said you're a YouTuber as well. You're meant to be playing computer games. The same one every time.
Oh, come on, please. Let's get on my nerves.
You have to complete 3 levels.
Wee. Oh, wee. Oh, I might go back.
Oh my god.
Brum, 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 brum.
Oh my god. Can't you jump?
Brum, 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 brum.
Don't do the same thing as you done last time. Oh, you need to get that flag. It's a checkpoint. Oh, you died.
Yeah.
You didn't even touch the checkpoint, so...
What's that?
The flag was a checkpoint, so that means halfway through the course you can start from there. Now you have to go back to the start. Oh my god, your face. How do you feel right now?
I feel shit.
Do you feel betrayed?
Yes, I feel betrayed.
Betrayed by who?
Yes.
Oh, you got the flag. Right. Now you need to try and get to the end of the level.
I died! Seriously?
Well, at least you got to the checkpoint now. I'm going to play the next 3 games, which should be even harder than this one.
What?
Yeah, as it goes on, it progressively gets harder, and you have to play 2 more levels of this still. Are you going to enjoy it? Oh, I think you trapped yourself. Go up. No, I think you've trapped yourself. I think it needs... Yeah, it's an auto kill. You have to go down the hole. I like that. Now you have to go down that hole.
Why?
Because you can't get out, and you... Basically, you're dead. So you need to go down that hole.
I can't go down.
Oh my god.
I'm not dead.
Yeah, he is. There you are. Don't get trapped in between there again. Oh. No, you got trapped in between again. You have to go down the hole.
Oh my! This is so hard! Ah!
I thought you enjoyed these sort of games.
No, I do not! You're the one that made me play this!
Yeah, and you was the one who made me play Synapses. Synapses? No. Oh, you just done it. An evil cloud.
What the fuck is this game? For fuck's sake!
It's a trolling game. Oh, not the cloud. You've still got 2 more levels of this. How do you feel right now that you can't even get past the first one?
I'm shit as this again.
Run!
What the fuck are they?
The ghosts kill the kitty cat.
I don't want to play this anymore, man. Because I'll stop now.
No, you still got 2 more levels.
No! Just no!
Right.
I can't do this, man. I can't do this. I'll let you play it.
No, I've already failed on that though, huh? If you're looking at the screen right now, I'm playing it and it's horrible.
Yeah, you're the one who you play this game. What the fuck?
Oh yeah, but then I still have to play 2 more levels after this. Ah, again.
You bastard! I'll beat you at that.
Not anymore. I'm gonna beat this level, and I'm gonna try and beat the second level without you.
Without me, without me. Woo.
Ah,
Without you.
I like the ghost there.
Without you.
You do know it's still recording you,
I know.
and this is going up on my channel.
I know.
Everybody who can hear this, close your ears. It's so horrible.
Ha ha. I can sing. I've just got a sore throat.
Yeah, I know.
I know you to make you feel this way. Make you feel this way.
Oh, don't worry. I'm like this all the time with her. Don't worry about it. If any of you are getting offended by me.
I buy this, like, yeah. Whew. Oh no! They gotta wait for it to go down. Wait for it. Oh my god, you're tripped. Oh my god, you got out. Okay. Nice.
Wait. I think there's going to be something here. I'm not sure about the pole. Oh! So you have to try and jump over the laser beam. There's a random laser beam at the end that you have to get past.
Well, I told you that this game is getting on my nerves and you did this and this. So it's payback, isn't it?
How is it payback?
Because, like, you've just told me you made me do a game that's not even, like, jump. Whee! Whee!
Oh! I nearly survived it. Oh, you're trying to do the sassy looks. Oh, I fell down the hole.